Suneetha is very new and she's going to help me to make the lemonade. So today what we want to show you the lemonade or today is lime juice. We want to show you the grinding function and we want to show you how special the blade is. The blade is very special. No? When it turns, right, it actually yanks the seed and the pulp out from the skin. Only this one can do. If you try any other blender, the other blenders cannot do it. This one can. And so we want to show you how wonderful it is because the moment the seed comes out, right, and it's not cut, the drink is not bitter. Okay? All right. So step one, Suneetha is going to put in the sugar, 90 grams. So we're just going to follow the recipe. When we follow the recipe, the drink is always nice. All right? Then she pours in the sugar. Okay? grams. So today we show you rock sugar. You can use any other sugar. The reason is just to show how powerful it is. All right, we close it. All right, then we select turbo. And you got a choice of half second, 1 second, or 2 seconds. In a blender, right, it's called the pulse function. So she's going to pulse it 3 times. Okay, it's going to be very loud. All right. So I can still hear the clap clap sound. Okay, one more time. And just in case, right, it's not blended, we just do one more time. Okay, so you see how easy it is? Okay, can you press home, Suneetha? So when Suneetha press home, the thing will open, and then you see how fine it is. See the thing flowing out in the air. All right, it's very, very fine. Okay, that shows you how powerful the machine is. Now, second thing is Suneetha, press yes, home, flip, go to weighing scale. Now, she's going to weigh 800 grams of water. You can add hot water, you can add cold water, lime juice, okay? And actually in India, they like to add a little bit of salt inside there. Okay, so turbo twice, okay? And the reason why we turbo twice is to mix the sugar and the water is like stirring with a spoon, you know? Simple, right? So we've got lime, 15 pieces. And I'm just going to put it in. And I'm just going to show you how powerful it is. 2 seconds. All right. Okay, drink is done. Okay, can you press home? Then we let everybody see how the thing is. Okay, so first we are going to sieve it. So this is our basket. What we do is inside here, we cook rice, pasta, potatoes. Okay, why we cook the rice inside here? When we cook the rice, right, and then there's a blade here and the water, it actually turns the water around, washing the rice. And what it does is it's actually washing the starch out. So as a result, right, a lot of my customers who are actually cancer patients, diabetics, they actually buy this machine, okay, for this purpose. All right. So Suneetha's going to sieve the drink. Now, when you hand squeeze the drink, right, it is clear. But when you blend, right, you see it's a bit cloudy. What happened is a lot of the nutrients are in the drink now. You see? It's not clear. So a lot of the nutrients from the pulp and everything is inside here. Now I want to show you the seed, all right? So these are the skin. That's how it looks like. Let's find a seed inside here. Oh, there's a lot of seeds inside here. Okay, can you see? One, we're going to pass around for the audience. All right? You see, it's not cut at all. It's just one piece, all right? I'm going to show a few more. So we're going to pass the seeds around, okay, like this. I'm going to pass it to Kavita. Thank you, Kavita. All right, so that's the end of this demo. What's going to be next, Mary? Mantau, okay.